Hey, if you're like me and you want to stay organized so that you can enjoy the holiday season, then this Christmas wish list is perfect for you. Basically, what I like to do is think about what my family members and friends want all year long, and I like to have a place to store it. So, this is a cute little place to write down all the things that they go, oh my gosh, I really love dark chocolate, or my hair clip just broke and I really need another one. Or my cell phone case is almost broken and I need to replace it soon. So, just as you're thinking about it, you have a quick place to jot down ideas for friends and family so that when Christmas comes, you have tons of ideas. So, here's how this sheet works. I'm going to give you a sample. It's really simple. So, you'll come in and you'll put the name of the person, choose the category, choose what present it is. So say it's chocolate and it's the best store. And then whether or not you purchased it, you can check that off. And then any notes. So if you want to put the link to the product, or if you want to say, person likes this brand, anything that you want to jog your memory of, what they like, links to it, just different things like that. You can also change the category if you don't like what I have. You can also choose the edit button and change the name. So instead of family, you can say work, you know, whatever you want to change it to. Hit done and apply to all, and then it will change it for you. If you get this error message, you just have to change it to whatever item you changed it to. This is also great because I've had someone who wanted to keep track of all of the gifts that they wanted to. They totally rearranged the sheet, but they wanted to have a category for each person in the family. So that helped as well. So, anyways, just ideas for you. Hope this Christmas wish list helps you. I have a bundle that has a budget, an itinerary, the Christmas wish list, and a Christmas card tracker available on my website as well. I'm at savvyandthriving.com. This sheet's available in Google Sheets and Excel. If you do want the Excel version, the checkboxes won't be there. You'll just have to put an X if you've purchased it. And that's the only difference. So, anyways, if you need me, feel free to reach out. And I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.